So we need to check if the carbon brushes are okay. You can use a multimeter or just remove them and check the length. We're going to remove the carbon brushes from this. We put them here, but we're only going to move the carbon brushes to a new motor if the carbon brushes are of the required length and they have continuity. So what you need to do, using a multimeter, we check for continuity. There's no continuity, the multimeter doesn't move. So we have to check the carbon brushes. You see why there's no continuity. So normally we have 2 screws on both sides. So we open this. That's how short it is. That's very short, it can't work. Check on the other one. This one is also worn out, but at least it's long enough. This should work. So we remove them completely and then we test. We check how long they are. That one is removed. We also remove this one. Okay, so these are the carbon brushes. That's the reason the machine could not spin. This one is quite very worn out. This is quite worn out, can be used. So we plug this one back here, put one there. So this is how short this is. So normally the reason there is no continuity here, this one is too short, so there is space on the armature. It should be tightly fitting. It should be fitting tightly on the armature. So this one is leaving space. So when you're using a multimeter end to end, there is no continuity. So what you need to do, we need to replace this one. We just replace one. This one is okay. So we look for a longer carbon brush. Okay, so these are the carbon brushes. So we get one that is that's still new and long enough. This one is long enough. This one. So what you need to do, open this, remove this and fit this, and then you return the casing. So these are long enough. So what you need to do, you just fit them back. We have these 2 clips here that fit in the 2 holes. This one or the other side, here and here. So we fit that one there. Sorry. It's making noise, so you have to ensure it's smooth, well fitting. Okay, and then we screw it back. other one. Screw it back. Magnet isn't working on my screwdriver. This happens. There's no perfection here. Good. There we go. Once that is done, flip it back. And we test for continuity with our multimeter. We check for continuity. There we go. That's it. We have replaced our carbon brushes and the motor is good to go.